What's the rarest coincidence you've ever seen? I thought my dad would be happy when I made a new friend, but as soon as I said her name, his face went completely white. When I showed him a photo of her, he shouted, "Never mention her name under my roof again," before storming out of the kitchen. I figured he was just getting her mixed up with someone else. So after a few hours, I went into his office, where I found him with tears streaming down his face. I sat down and he held my hand. I thought this was some weird joke, until he announced I had a sibling. My stomach dropped. Sibling? I asked him what he meant, because I've been an only child my whole life. Suddenly, he buried his face in his hands and started apologizing. I walked over to him and told him that I love him no matter what, and that's how I found out that my mom got pregnant years before I was born. They thought that if she put her up for adoption, they would be able to reconnect when timing was better. But her adoptee family refused and threatened to sue if they tried anything. My hands trembled as the realization hit me. My new friend was actually my older sister, and now I don't know how to feel.